In this lesson, we are going to cover a very important kinematics topic that will always come out in examination. That is graphical analysis of motion. For this video, we'll cover objects at rest and objects traveling with uniform velocity. In this diagram, we take the traffic light as point of origin. This is the point where the displacement of an object is 0. A car is parked at a distance of 10 meters from the origin. Hence, we say that its displacement is 10 meters from the origin. If the car remains at rest, say, over 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds, and if we plot on the displacement time graph, for each second, its displacement remains at 10 meters from the origin. So it will be a horizontal straight line throughout the entire 120 seconds. Similarly, if we plot its velocity for each second, its velocity remains 0 throughout the entire 120 seconds. So it will also be another horizontal straight line, but it sits on the x-axis. Hence, when you see on a displacement time graph a horizontal straight line, it means that the object is at rest, not moving. Its displacement from the origin remains unchanged. But take note that when you see a horizontal straight line on the velocity time graph, the object is at rest only if the horizontal straight line is on the x-axis, indicating that its velocity is 0 throughout that period of time. If you see a horizontal line on the velocity time graph that is above the x-axis, the object is not at rest. It is traveling at constant or uniform velocity. Let's dive deeper into this. We have here a car traveling at constant speed. It travels a distance of 10 meters every second. When we plot the displacement time graph, we can see that its displacement from the traffic light increases at a constant rate of 10 meters every second. Hence, the graph is a straight line. The velocity time graph, on the other hand, is a horizontal straight line because its speed remains constant at 10 meters per second. There are two important things that you must remember about displacement time graph and velocity time graph. First, the gradient of the displacement time graph gives us the velocity. So in the case when an object is at rest, the velocity is 0, and that is proven by the fact that the gradient of a horizontal line is 0. Secondly, the area under the velocity time graph gives us the distance traveled or the displacement. In the case of an object at rest, there is no distance traveled, so there is no area under this graph. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to our channel.